Hey gang, welcome to New England Haunter. My name is Jamie. Before we get going on today's build, I just wanted to give a quick backstory on this particular prop. About a year ago, one of the Halloween Facebook groups that I'm on, there was a guy by the name of Brian Bailey who posted some really awesome pictures of a zombie girl that he says he puts out every year. He didn't give a lot of info on it. I'm assuming that he built this or maybe someone built it. It definitely looks like homemade, not in a bad way. It looks awesome. It just doesn't look like anything that you could buy that I know of. I give total credit to Brian for this. This is an awesome looking prop. I used that as inspiration to build my own version. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today, how I built mine, how you can build one. And I'm also taking the opportunity here to upgrade my version as it was built with bits and pieces that I already had here in my shop last year. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around. Calling this one DIY Halloween Living Dead Girl. Let's do this.
Step right up, come on in, join the show, it's about to begin.
Here are the original photos that Brian had posted last year. I grabbed screenshots immediately knowing I would eventually want to build something like this. Just an awesome creepy prop that would look great in any haunt display. Here's the version I came up with last year. It's been moved around a lot, so that matted hair isn't quite what it used to be. And this is all repurposed stuff, guys. These arms were off a scare prop I had at one point. And the only purchase I had made was this teddy bear that I found in a thrift store. And before putting this in my actual display this year, I will go through that hair and add a bunch of 3M spray and crushed up leaves and things to really make it look ratty. And guys, this is made out of 1/2-inch PVC. It's what I refer to as a T-post frame. You guys will see that here in just a moment. So here's my secret way of making these types of props stand up, as long as there's some type of clothing to hide it. This is a 3-foot U-post you can get at most hardware stores. I use these for tons of things in my haunt display. I actually use these to hold up my entire graveyard fence as well. And for this particular prop, I like to lean that U-post forward just a little bit to kind of give it that slouching look. These U-posts work great with 1/2-inch PVC. The PVC fits right into that groove on the U-post, and it makes it really easy to secure it in place with zip ties. So this is how it looks, guys. Always looks better at nighttime, of course, but today I'm going to be replacing that dress. I was never crazy about that, and I'm going to be re-corpsing those arms as well. And guys, check it out without the dress on or the wig or anything. This is such an easy build. Here's a close-up shot of that 1/2-inch PVC and how it fits snugly into that U-post groove. And what I usually do is drill a couple holes into the PVC. I can run my zip ties through around the back side of the U-post just to hold it in place so it can't turn left or right. And you can see here currently the arms are being held on by zip ties. I'm actually going to be utilizing those 90-degree elbows so they're more stationary. A lot of times when it's windy they end up getting in really weird positions. To achieve that look like the head is looking down, I used a 45-degree elbow, and there's an extension piece that goes up into the skull and it's just screwed in there to hold it in place. Keep in mind, you won't see the face, so I use a skull because I just happen to have this in my shop. You could use a wig head or a tape ball, for that matter. And that's an old milk jug as well as some padding that I had put in there at the time, just to give it somewhat of a ribcage look underneath the dress. So these are the parts I'm definitely going to be keeping. Both of the shoulder pieces here are 6 inches each, and the overall height of that PVC is 44 inches top to bottom. So I do apologize, guys. I did some weathering off camera. This is the Nightgown. It will be linked in the description below if you're interested in this particular one. I took a spray bottle with black acrylic paint and mixed it in with water, sprayed it in different areas. I also put it in mud. Got a little bit of grass stain on it here and there. I also redid the corpsing off camera as well. I came up with a pretty cool way to do corpsing a few weeks back that I haven't really seen done before, so I think I may end up doing a separate video on that. All right, let's see how this looks all together. I decided to add a small pool noodle behind the neck just to give it kind of a more hunched look and less of a square look where the shoulders are. I use these landscaping staples to hold the dress down. Just push it right through the dress, holds right into the ground really good. So what do you think, guys? This is pretty much the final product. I will be going through, as I mentioned before, and get that hair matted really good. And I probably will add some more weathering to that nightgown. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Real easy build. As always, feel free to email me at newenglandhaunter@gmail.com or comment below. I will get back to you almost immediately if you have any questions on this build. So see you guys in the next video. Take care.